Test, test. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. If you can hear me, put a one in the chat if you can hear me. Y'all ready for the day? I hope it's overall, I hope it's a repeat of yesterday. Despite we had some issues, but we're gonna crush these goals here, $100 to $500 a day for the next 28 days. Slow and steady wins the race. No rushing in. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. All right, give me a little bit and get some stuff together, and then we'll tackle this day to day. See what I'm looking at. I'm a little bit late, running behind, so give me a second. All right. Good morning. Joseph Robinson here, JRE Entertainment. We are not licensed financial. We're not a licensed financial organization. We just show you how to do some things. If you decide you want to participate, you can participate. But good morning, Christine. Good morning, Lisa. What's going on? Y'all are in here early too. Well, I'm late. So that's my bad. Sorry about that. Had to take care of some business. See what we're looking at today. Open up these calendars. The chart here and see what we're looking at, because yesterday was, it was a good day, but it didn't start out like that just because of the AWS stuff and Amazon having issues with their systems, and it was a big mess. But we did manage to scalp. Total of close to about 1,800 and some change from yesterday. So we're up. We're still up. It's good to go. We definitely met the goal. The goal was met. And so right now, let me look at SPY and see what's happening with SPY here. Let's see. Trend line. So yesterday was highs was 672. Pre-market right now is 670. That's your pre-market. Let's see what the low was yesterday. I want to say the low was 671. The pre-market were under that. I'm sorry, 658 was the low yesterday. Let me make sure I'm tracking it. Hold on. Nope. 667. Y'all see that big freaking looks like a doji or hammer candle. If I'm wrong, let me know. That's what it looks like. It looks like a Thor candle. I don't know. We may see some sell-off this morning. Let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla's bullish this morning. Damn, out the gate. High was 447. Pre-market's 445 right now. 445. Almost looks like a little head and shoulders here. Shoulders, head, knees, toes, shoulders, head, knees, toes, head. No, sure. Y'all remember that game? So 447.43 is Tesla. I'm telling y'all, we need to pick up some Tesla. I'm going to pick up some Tesla calls and date them out this week. So we'll work on that. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Let's go check some of the news here. Let me see what the news is saying today. There's more. There's anything specific news regarding the markets. Let's see what we got. Let's see, ETFs, stocks. We got today S&P gains and losses today. Apple, Supermicro surge. Oracle stock extends losses. Close that. Don't need that. Shares of smartphone giant and AI server. AI is taking over. AI is taking over. People are losing their jobs behind AI. And that's crazy, right? Who would have thought? Like you'd be running your business off of AI, phone services and all that kind of stuff. I know, the older businesses, they don't want to have to deal with that, so they keep it traditional. But you're not, in order for you to survive in this economy, I think. Excuse me. Went down the. I always say the wrong pipe, but it's not the wrong pipe. It just decided to do what it's going to do going down the throat. All right. Anyway, Yeah, so businesses, if you're not incorporating AI into your business, then you may be behind the curve, depending on the type of business it is. I mean, I know Amazon, you have to have they have to have that. It's just the large scale. You're not going to have enough employees to do what they need to do. So yes, they, using AI to create products and whatever code and all that kind of stuff. It's a takeaway. It's a give and take. Sierra's a smartphone giant AI server maker were among the S&P's 500 top performers yesterday, while a large enterprise software firm continued to lose ground. Apple stock pushed higher following a report showing promising sales trends for the recently launched iPhone 17. I'm still on the Apple 14. Still, tech industry titan got a boost on Monday as the latest edition of its flagship product showed promising sales and momentum, while a software giant stock continued to slide a slide that began last week. Questions above the company's ability to reach lofty growth targets. The next on here is, let's see, Apple shares climbed nearly 4% to a closing record after the report revealed strong demand in the US and China for the tech giant's new iPhone 17 series. So, let's take a look at Apple and see where Apple is at in regards to that. I think we did that maybe a little bit yesterday. We're going to go into the daily chart here. Let me share this chart where what's Apple doing? That's the day. Let's look at the 4-hour. Yeah, Apple, the high was 264. Pre-market is 261 for Apple. We'll keep a close eye out on Apple and see what's going on. Let's take a look at QQQ. What's QQQ doing? Same thing from last night. Same thing. So, I mean, really, pre-market right now, 611. Pre-market high, 611. 612 was the high from yesterday, and the low was 595. Okay. So I think overall we're at a good place with QQQ. Do we see any retracement back? I don't know yet. I'm not confident enough to say that we may have a little bit of downturn on this. But right now, pre-market is 611.20. Okay. The lowest was 607.65, and your open was 607.40. So we're going to open a little bit higher yesterday than we did, and we're going to open higher today than we did yesterday. Looking at that, so QQQ. Let's go over look at what we want to look at next. Well, I need to do some other things to get ready. So those are some of the big players right there. We look at Nvidia. Let me look at Nvidia and see what Nvidia is doing. Nvidia is coming off that high of 195. Pre-market 182 is the pre-market close. They closed at 182.64. So almost in the same area as yesterday. But we're going to see. We're going to see what Nvidia can do. There's a lot of shorts, a lot of bears pushing that thing down. So the bulls can't seem to defend right now, from my perspective. I like Nvidia. I just don't like the way the stock moves. I don't. I mean, there's money there, but I just don't like the way that the stock moves. Just look at the chart. Look at the chart. It just looks messy. Reset. To me, it just looks messy. Like they're just slanging this stock back and forth, back and forth. I don't like that. And a lot of chop too. Look at that chop. And listen, folks, you don't want to be in this. Hold on, let me make sure y'all can see me. Okay. You don't want to be in this choppiness. Why? Because let's say you come off this candle right here. Boom, this is 15 minutes. Let's look at 30 minutes. Hold on. Before I keep talking. Yeah, still choppy. 1 hour chop. 4 hour chop. So that should change today. We're gonna find out. But look at the 15 minute. I don't like being caught up in this area here, this choppiness. I don't like that. Why? Because it's going to take you a lot longer to get out. And if the market maker is trying to trap, investors, they're going to trap you right in here, right in that little area. If you're not paying attention, you're stuck, and which is going to force you to open up another trade to try to leverage what you already have. You know what I'm saying, and reverse the losses. And that's where we get messed up at. That's where our accounts get blown because we're all panicked. We panic and we're like, oh no, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Hands off. You don't have to trade. You don't have to trade every cent. You don't. You want trades like, let me show you. You want the chart to look like something like this right here. Okay, this is what you want. You don't want this choppiness right here. This is what you want. Right here, right here. Boom. That was the 10th of October, 10:40. Oh yeah. That was the day Trump sent out that tweet and everything. But these are the kind of smooth moves that you want to make, right? You want to see where it's a slope downhill. Boom, next candle. Boom, next candle. Boom, a little bit of chop. Next candle. Boom, every 15 minutes. That's what I want. That's what you want too, right? So if you can get yourself in there involved in that cycle right there, that bull bearish cycle, you're good. Get your money and get out. Do not get trapped, guys and gals. Do not get trapped in this sideways action. I don't care what you're in. You do not want to be in that sideways action. Let's look at spot. Yesterday was choppy too. Where we at? Okay. Yeah, yesterday was a little choppy too. Right at the kind of like right at the end. There was good money to be made in the morning. Morning time money was good. Right. And then you got into the afternoon, and afternoon just went to whatever. So I'm expecting to see some continuation, a little up, a little down, a little bit of choppiness. But if we can get some trades, like this, folks, you see that right there? You see all that? That's what we want. You see this? This is what we want. This is what we want. The bulls right here. Boom. Each cycle. Trade cycle by cycle. Bearish cycle. Sluggish. Sluggish. Bullish momentum. Bullish cycle. Divergence. Right here. Up. You see what I'm saying? So that's, again, I'm not licensed to talk about this, and I don't have to be because I'm an independent trader. But start studying these charts. Just start looking at them and see, what you can figure out. Right? Take some chart classes or whatever. I'm not the guru at charts, not at all. I like price action. I like to see where price is going to take me. Yesterday we had a $6 move on S&P 500. Right? Tesla did well, very well. Tesla kind of pushes a part of that. It kind of pushes that momentum in the S&P. Right? But I love the super volatile days, especially if you're in that trend. You got a trend that's boom, that's up, that's heading up, right? Excuse me. I'm gonna take it right. I'm just gonna plow right through there. Not the one I wanted. Looks like a little kid's drawing. Boom. That's what you want. You want that. You don't want this side action here. We're at pre-market, so we're gonna need to break out of here. Where are we going? I hope we're going to the freaking moon next year. So I don't know, but we need to retrace back to those old plays from last a couple months ago. We may even come back down to 657 at some point to close that off. I don't know, but just watch it. Just watch it. All right, let me take care of some things really quick. Yes, thank you. Hit that like button. Good morning. Yeah, I'm on Twitch right now. Yeah, Christian, you got to catch that. Yeah, trend traders. I'm not a trend trader, but I will trade in a trend. You see what I'm saying? Like that's not what I do. I like to get in and out. But if you're following the trend is your friend. Absolutely. Absolutely. Um, so we're gonna take a look here. So 15 minutes. I'll be trading out the 15 minutes today. I'll be going back and forth 5 minute. Mostly, I look at my entry for the 15 minutes and then take a 5 minute entry on the 5 minute chart. Most likely, we'll see. We'll see what goes down. If y'all want to stay here with me, you can, but I'll make it quiet while I'm looking at news or looking at other things, and I'll try to stay up to date, keep you guys up to date on that. All right, so let's go here. Let's go look at the small account challenge. So right now we were at $17,735.25. We were like, why are you showing? Why are you showing? It's a small account challenge. So trying to help and teach people how to navigate through this market. It doesn't have to be perfect. Find profits in the charts. You don't have to be this guru, right? You just need to know how to defend your position and how to get in and get out like a sniper. That's why I created Strike Zone 15, because Strike Zone 15 was the first 15 minutes of the day and the last 15 minutes of the day, which is usually the most bullish or bearish time period, and more volume and momentum. So Strike Zone 15 is based off of that. That's why I created that 20. What's that? What's that? What are we seeing? Okay, huge pop. All right, that's why I created that, right? So little sideways action, but we're gonna keep watch on that. We'll see what I want to enter into. If you see something, let me know. But I'm going to be trading. I'll be probably trading SPX and SPY today. May hit up some QQQ today. Of course, I will be trading SPX and SPY again. All right, same stuff. Unless I see something different. If I see something different, then boom. It's 8:28. Getting ready. I'm not going to rush into anything at all. I'm not rushing. Not this morning. You got to get serious. This is a business. You have to look at this as a business, right? When you start looking at this as a business, you're going to take it more seriously, because while you got your capital is at live now. Your capital is at risk. You want to lose that, right? Take your time. And again, once you get in a trade, you know what I'm saying, you start hitting your goals. You're like, yeah, I can get a little bit more, get a little bit more, get a little bit more. Check yourself. I have to check myself every single trade, right? Every single trade. And I went back and I took a look at my history and noticed that when I get in the trade, I get excited. I'm like, yes, it's going my direction. Do I take the profit? Do I let it ride? And that's when understanding what trend you're in, whether it's uptrend, whether it's a downtrend, are you trading sideways, right? You have to understand it. If you don't look at that, you will get trapped and you will lose some money. I'll tell you like this. You will lose some money. So don't follow me into any trades, right? I'm a little bit different. You have to figure out what your own tolerance is. 8:30, market's opening up. All right, boom. Let's see. We're gonna open up flat today. We're at pre-market. Boom. $671.43, 671. It's open. Puts. I don't know. We're probably gonna do some puts this morning. We'll see. Take a look. I'm gonna wait 15 minutes. Take a look at some of that price action here. $672. I'm trying to see what there's a lot of interest at right now. Premiums are not too bad. They could be better though. Below where we closed at. We're headed, looks like we're headed down, folks. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. 671.27. Again, that's off the 15-minute. Right here. Nice candle format. That's 15 minutes. Look at the 30. 30, boom. 45, same thing. 1 hour, not hit it yet, but we haven't established anything yet. It's just a little bit of momentum. A little wick right there. We're going to see what happens. How far we're going to come down to 670. If I were to guess, I would say we probably come down to 670 and bounce off of that. That would be my guess. 670. That'd be my guess. All right. Let's look at some puts here and see. 671.18. Current price right now. A lot of that, a lot of momentum at 671, 670. Remember what I told you, that what I do to kind of establish a level, see where we're at. I usually will get in one contract to kind of test my thought process to see whether or not if it's heading that true direction or not. Let's look at the call side. Call side really cheap right now, 674, 27 cents. 673 you can get that for 55 cents. 672 strike you can get for 97 cents right now. Let's go back, look at this chart here. What are we doing? 15-minute, 671.40. See, look at that. See? $30-minute. It still looks bearish to me, but we'll see though. That's the 15-minute. I'm gonna wait for that 15-minute candle. It still looks just a little bit, just a tad bit. We'll see though. I don't want to speculate. I don't want to speculate because we could have a huge pop. Could have a huge pop to the upside. Remember, the goal is 100 to. We got a signal up. A signal of gonna push up a little bit. We'll see. 672 was the high yesterday. Got to get focused, y'all. I'm getting focused. Let me go take a look at that 671 price action. Let's see. 672 was the high. Am I 672 was the high of yesterday? Yes. All right. 15-minute candle has not closed yet. We still got 9 minutes in that 15-minute candle. Let's see what it does. I would like to see some continuation up through past the 672, that high. We may touch that. And if we bounce off of that, if there's a lot of resistance there at that 672, they may try it again and bring it back down to 670, then bounce right back up, try it again, 672. And then if they surpass that, then boom, you can take an entry at 672. So if I would have took a call entry right here off of that open, we'd be in profit right now. Just a few cents, 20, 30 cents. Okay. 20, 30 cents. You don't need big moves. Let's go take a look at Apple. I think Apple. Look at that candle. Boom. Look at that. Oof. Apple. Apple. I have no positions in Apple. Apple is taking off. Boom. I love it. I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. SPY doing the same thing. SPY looking good. Everything's looking good right now. The indexes. Everything is looking good, folks. $100 to $500 challenge today. If I get above that, I get above that, but I'm not going to stay in this market for too long. That's where I go wrong. I don't want to do that. Get in and get out. I want to see if we can push past this candle from yesterday, that doji hammer candle. I really want to see 671. push above 670, going into 672, that high there. We may or we may not get it. No interest yet. Still just looking. Apple. What's Apple doing? Same. See what Amazon is doing. Surprised people aren't shorting Amazon. I'm surprised they're not shorting Amazon behind what happened. We'll see. We'll see by the end of the day. Oh, we didn't take a look at Tesla, folks. We didn't look at Tesla. Gotta look at Tesla. Hold on. New tab to the right, duplicate tab. Let's take a look at this Tesla. Boom, what's Tesla doing? Yes, all right. So Tesla here. No, that's not it. Slow down. Boom. Okay, Tesla. Tesla price targeted maintained with the 355 price range. So a little sell off there from the open on Tesla. That's the 15 minutes. Look at the 30-minute chart. 30-minute. So folks, you can look at the bigger time frames to tell, kind of help you with where you want to take your entry at in the bigger time frame. You can go down to, once you establish where we're going, that direction, then break it all down to the 5-minute chart, right? And break it all down to the 5-minute chart. There's a 1 minute here. I didn't have the 1 minute in there. So you can look at that. You can, even though Tesla is pushing downwards, you can still create a nice cushion, nice position. I think, again, if we break this high 447, we're up. We're up. Go back to take a look at the S&P. Only 10 minutes. I'm waiting to see this candle form. Where we're gonna go. Taking notes. Yes, that is a nice candle. Absolutely. It's pushing. I do not have an entry right now. I don't have any entries. Outside if I had something yesterday, but I don't have any entries now. See, we're still between that 671.20, 671.90. I wonder where the top is going to be. We want to see what that high is. Are we going to push past that pre-market? Yes, we did. Still looking for a setup. This does not have to be difficult. I'm just looking for a setup. Patience. Looking for a setup. Sometimes I'll hop in some groups to see what they're talking about on X or wherever I can find the groups. I'll just hop in and take a listen. Apple is breaking out. Come on. Boom. Let's take a look at Apple. Oh, we're starting the downtrend at 15 minutes. Are we in 15 minutes already? 8:41 or 9, it's 9:41. Well, we got 4 minutes left to see what forms here. Breaking retest. 30-minute, 45-minute. All right, I think I will take let me take a look. Let me see. 671, 31, 26. Put. I'm going to take a 670 entry. Small. Yeah, we don't need too much on that. 670 entry review. $1.02, I'll take it. $1.02 entry. Limit price 102. It's going to cost me $102. Let's take a look at QQQ, or QQQ is dumping right now. Yeah, look at that. Look at SPY. I didn't get my order filled. Too late. Oh, let me replace my order. I could not get in it. Shoot, I don't want 110. I might get the price that I wanted. So we formed that first candle, the first 15 minutes that's closed. Oh, we still got a minute left. See what's going to happen. We're looking bearish a little bit this morning. Yeah, SPY is dumping 6789. I wonder if we're going to go down to 668. Dump City. Where's the next level? Yeah, bearish momentum. I think I'm going to add to these. Okay, it's back to where I wanted it. 671 put. It's becoming more and more expensive. I think $1.29 is not bad, but it's still a little high for me. 671.23. I'm going to take a 672 put, slightly in the money, just to test it out and see. It's going to cost me 177. I'm going to take it. I'll take it. I'm just testing the waters right now. Limit price 177. It already pushed 19. It missed that 20 cents. Replace my order. I got to snipe this thing. Remember, folks, nothing is running away. It's only been 15 minutes. All right, I think I'm going to take an entry, put entry here. 670. Definitely a bearish momentum. We'll see though. I'm still kind of hanging around that same area. 671. 30 minutes still bearish. We hit that 670 again. I'm going to take a higher contract. I'm going to do 672 or 673 in the money puts. I'm taking 5 contracts. Five contracts, 277 a contract. Let's see if we bounce off of that. If we do, I'm going to get out. Average cost on that was $274. We're not in profit yet. $10, $25 right there, $15. We're going to see. We'll see. I'll watch it. All right, we're up $100. 75. Still dumping. Still going lower. We'll test the waters and see. Could have been a bear trap. We'll see. I don't think so, though. We'll see, though. I may buy that. I may add to my position. Too early. So around that 671. That wick came all the way down to 670, 338. Should add to, let's see. I think I'm gonna add to that position, folks. I'm gonna add a couple more contracts. Just give me a better average. Implied volatility is 16%. I'm gonna add to this. I have not added to it yet. All right, we're back in the money again. I should have added to it earlier. That's fine. I'm gonna pick up another contract here shortly. Look at this chart again, see where we're at. We're still flushing. I'm gonna grab 25 contracts, 280. I want a little bit cheaper though. I'm gonna wait. Few minutes bearish. That's a huge drop. All right, we're up 155. $130. Nothing's running away. That's right. I wanted to see us come back to 667. That's a big candle, 30-minute. What's the market maker's plans for today? The Moxie indicator is showing that we're headed up, but I don't see that right now. So officially 30 minutes here shortly. Looks like we may have established said trend. I don't know yet. See, this Moxie indicator right here is telling me that if we go above this zero, we're headed up. It looks like a little bit more momentum is building. If you look at the contract is we're right where we started. Right where we got in at. Look at the 2-minute. They might just be filling up the gas to go lower. Let me add to this entry. I may add 10 contracts. Right here, average 272, current price 274. I'm going to add here. No, great order. See, we're spiking real quick. Let me add a little bit more. 20. So I add 20 contracts. Contracts added for $2.95 per contract. I just need a few cents. I don't need a lot. Oh, did it go through? It sure did. All right, we're at 550 for the day. What's going on? 600. It still has room to grow. Still have a little bit more room to go. We're pushing. Let's see if the bears can hold this. I think they can, but we're going to see. I'm definitely bearish right now. My average cost is $2.90. Current price is $303 right now. Puts us in $325 in profit. Haven't secured anything yet. That's off the 2-minute. Let's look at the 15-minute. Yeah, 15-minute still bearish for now. Right below the bottom of that left candle. We'll see. Taking a chance. What's going on, Parker? Good morning, man. All right. Y'all know what the goal is. Right now we're at 625. Let's see what this chart's doing. Back to the chart again. Take a look. 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. 4 hours is bearish. Yeah, 4 hours bearish. 15 minutes bearish. Just for now. I want to see us come down at 669 or 668. That's my target exit. They're playing around this area right now. Well, when they go, though. When they go, they will go. A little bit of retracement. That wick came all the way down to 669, actually. That's off the 2-minute. There go that sideways chop. I do not like. Go to sleep, Parker. All right, we're back where we got in at. Steady watching. Yeah, I'm not closing this position yet. We got room to grow. Here we go. Might get a little flush here. 15 minutes until that, or I'm sorry, 9 minutes until that 15-minute candle closes. It's kind of dry a little bit. I don't see a lot of volume right now. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think they're fooling. Mm-hmm. We'll see. Keep an eye on it. Moxie indicator says that we're starting to have a little bit of bullish momentum, but it could be temporary. I'm watching. Waiting, waiting, waiting. All right, look at the chart. Again, none of this is financial advice. Yeah, no, it needs to break that 670. That's it. 670. Still waiting. I'm not getting any movement. What's going on? Everything's freezing up. We pushed up a little bit. 670.91. We need to break that. We need to break that floor. 670.89. I'm gonna have to reload this site here. I'm not sure what's happening. Change you made may not be saved. Reload, cancel. $670.52. Come on. Yeah, no, the chart was frozen. I have to close it. All of a sudden, everything want to act up. Come on. You can do it. Still waiting. What we're gonna do, y'all? What we're gonna do? Still waiting. You gonna flush it? 670.47. It's here. Come on. It's a bull and bear drama right now. You're a little bullish, but I think I believe that they're faking. They're trying to fake you out. So that 15-minute candle went all the way down to almost 669. I still believe that we're bearish. Just looking at the trend here. Could they flip it? Absolutely. Absolutely. 45 minutes, 1 hour, everything's still saying it's bearish. Still holding my position. We'll be flipping a little bit. Still holding. 35 contracts. And 913 or 1013. Come on, flush it. I know you can do it. I know you can. Let's go. Yeah, we're right around the 670 area. We just need to break that. Once we break that, we have blood. Momentum's changing a little bit. We're waiting. What's going on, Daniel? Waiting to see what the real direction is. They're playing games right now. Plan. Bullish. Go bullish. Average cost was $2.90 per contract. Current price right now is $2.50. We're 30 cents off. $0.30 off. So whatever you're gonna do, market, you need to go ahead and do it. See, we've been in the trade now 30 minutes in this trade. See, these bulls have power. I'm not bullish today at all. That'd be my problem. You're holding the trade. Still in the trade. Morning, everybody. $219 per contract right now from $290. Bullish. You get trapped a little bit, still holding it. That market's pushing. Push, red. $71.36. There's no rejection of that last high, then we're probably gonna keep going if there's no rejection. I don't like to chase these candles, but I may hedge on this one. We're at 671.52. And so that, you know what I'm saying? So when you buy in the money, it benefits you if whatever direction the stock is going. But if it reverses on you, you know what I'm saying, you buying in the money, it's gonna be a little bit more expensive on the back end. And that's what I'm experiencing right now. It's a little bit more expensive. I see what the chart is doing, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to remain that way. It could though. We'll see. Be patient. I may take a hedge here. $671.71. Strong candles too. It was a moonshot. After the trap is the most money. $671.76. $671.75. High is 672. It's pushing. 15-minute candle. There's some big candles today. There you have. I'm gonna grab a hedge here. I'll take a few contracts anywhere between that 672 to 674. I was gonna do 675. There's a little bit of volume there. Maybe I'll take 674. 22 cents. 22 cents a piece right now, 6.74. I'm waiting on. I'm waiting. We'll see what they're gonna do. Because last week they did it. They did the same thing. What's going on? I'm in a I'm in a put right now. They did the same thing last week. Brought it all the way up, and then just flushed it. Minute chart, 30 minute, 45 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. Excuse me. 671, 54 right now. I knew that this was going to be a bumpy ride. I knew this was going to be a bumpy ride. What's going on, JSBN Sports? What's up? Definitely got room to grow. 15 minutes, 15. Yeah, we definitely got some room to grow today. More minutes until that 15-minute candle closes. Day chart is bullish overall. 71.91, 8.92. I haven't taken any other positions yet. I want to see what this price action does right about here. So that where it looks like we're headed towards that high here at 670, 672. If we break that, she's gonna shoot up. 30 minutes. There's a kid out there, but I don't know. We'll see. A lot of contract movement in these calls here at 672, 673. A lot of volume right now. A lot of volume. 674 is now at 17 cents a contract. But I haven't got into any We're waiting. What was that? What was that? Y'all see that? Or am I tripping? That was crazy. Y'all see that? That was a huge candle. Interesting. Still holding. Yep. Still holding. Still holding. Mm-hmm. Here come the bears. Bears are coming. We'll see. We'll see how long they maintain this fight, though. No, I didn't. I didn't take any other puts. I'm still in the same one. I'm still in the. Still in the 673s. I'm still in the 673s right now. Let's see what they want to do. What the market maker's going to do. I'll flush it. They did the same thing Friday. Same thing. They trapped. Going up, they got all these bulls right here. Boom, 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 boom. It's going to go up. Boom, boom, boom. Gotcha. Trap. Actually, indicators that we're going down. I believe it. All right. Average contract was $2.90. Current price is $2.70 right now. I could add to it to average my cost, but I'm just moving away. I want to make sure this is the real direction. If it's the real direction, we'll take hands off and just wait. Appreciate y'all being here. Appreciate you. I tell you, we learn together, we grow together. Stay in the zone, y'all. Got to stay hyped. I don't know if that music's too loud. If it's too loud, let me know. Where we at? Still waiting. Just watching. This is what the market maker does. They get you interested in the way they're moving, and then they switch it up on you. And still bearish to me, even though we did push up a little bit. I think they were fooling. I don't like it. I don't like the way they're treating us today, so I'm going to take a havoc out on the market. I don't like the way they're treating us. I don't like it. Oh, we in the money? We in the money? You're lower. forming. Still waiting. You're playing games. You know you want to flush, Fire. You know you want to flush. You're playing games with these people now. You're playing games. Come on. Delta is 79. 15% implied volatility. Yeah, they're in that range right now. Trying to figure out what it's gonna do. Come on, just send it down already. Because now you had the bears trapped. We were about hold on. Excuse me. You trap the bears on that push forward, push up. And some bears exited. And now you flip the channel. You flipping it again. I'll tell you, sometimes this market can be very bipolar. Yeah, I'm 60 cents from my entry earlier. They came down and grabbed some liquidity, I'm assuming. Interesting. Interesting. Back at 671. I haven't taken any new positions yet. Sideways. If there's another rejection, it's going to flush. It's 571.48, 45. Those are the 674 is at 17 cents right now. I don't like being in that range, that chop. That's what they're doing right now. They're chopping. Sideways action. We're headed back up towards that high. Most of the time, it's a patience game. It's a waiting game, just to see what the real direction is going to be. They want to go. It's a fight right now. Yeah, they want to go. I'm really liking these 674s at 18 cents. But I'm just trying to see what they're going to do, because if they pass that resistance level, then it's going to fly high. And the Moxie indicator right here is stating that they're about to push up. How far could they go? I don't know. The high is 672. There's a lot of momentum here. Well, still waiting. I entered at, hold on, let me see. My first entry was at 673, 673. And I paid 290, 280, 290. Not too far off. So 673. I'm not in any other. Yeah, just they're playing around. Really like 674. Just waiting to see what they're going to do. I was 672. Only you can break. But find out though. The market says, test me if you want to. Test me, and I'll show you. There's a lot of interest in the 672 level for calls. Yeah, there's a lot of 672 level calls. See value, I see about 110,000 and 13,000 there as well. So there's a doubt right there for sure. Still waiting. Wait for that big red flush candle to come through. That's what I want. Flush. Flush it down to 669. I need a lot. I'll take $1 on it. So 674 cents a piece for calls. Those keep fluctuating too. I'm keeping my eye on those. Delta's 13. The low was 11 on those contracts. That range is so tight right now. Tesla flushed. Tesla just flushed just a little bit. All right, I think the bulls are trying to make it towards 72. That's what they're trying. 15 minutes bull. I think they're building the gap, shoot up 671. Those 672s or 670, no, 674 are now 16 cents. I'm watching. I'm actually just to see just how to test my that's my theory for 16 bucks. Yeah, I'll take actually I'll take like 170 bucks on 10 of those, 15 cents a pop. We'll take it. Just to give me a little head, just in case gaining some momentum. The threes are also too. 18 cents on 674s. I'm watching. I'm wondering if we're going to here. So those calls are now 18 cents. I'm going to grab some calls right there just in case. $671.69. I grabbed 100 contracts of the 674s at 8 or 19 cents a pop. What's up, Rob? Yeah, but I'm in puts right now on 5. I'm in the 2. Hold on. Let me see. Just had them up. I'm in the 673 puts right now. They're not looking good. And then I have the 674, 674 calls right now. Mm-hmm. They said we're gonna leave right behind while he's sitting on those puts. We're gonna make a little bit of money up here. All right. Excuse me. I'm patient. The 674 one since a contract. We just hit 672. We're pushing. What's up? Just waiting. Those 674s are now 24 cents a contract. and see what happens. Because my puts are put. They want to go. They want to go. I said that earlier. Yeah, they want to go. They're kind of on that 672, coming up on that high, maybe 210, 210. So we reject there. If we reject there, I'll probably take another entry. Patience, patience, patience. Chopped up, yeah. Well, if it starts to push 673, okay. Come on, come on. Average cost of those calls were 19 cents or 29 cents right now, but I'm still in those puts, and I'm not leaving those puts unless those things. Um, yeah, I'm still holding. I'm still holding. I'm still holding. We're up right now, 64 cents, 64% on these calls. I want to see how far the market's going to take us there. It'll give me some wiggle room to offload if I need to. I'm down 38% on those puts right now. No rush. No rush at all. Am I running away? Looking for that rejection of pop too. Did spot it too? Sure did. All right, I'm going to take a little bit of these puts off the table. 672.52. Kind of still early too. I'll wait a little bit. I'll wait. Volume slows down after 674. My target for the 674 is 45 cents contract. Right now we're at 32 cents a contract. It's a nice big candle that I should have waited for. Still waiting. $50 away. Yeah, I see that. Is there a slight rejection? Small one too. Not bad. Still holding my puts as of now. Come on, come on. 30 cents a contract for the SPY, 674. 31 cents a contract. This will give me a little bit of a wiggle room when I decide to exit these puts. It's still early too. It's only 11. Still early. Is that a rejection? Slight rejection. Still holding my puts. Yeah, that was right around 671. And exactly 245, we had that breakout. How much we're going to go? We hit that ceiling right now. We hit that double top. The double top, 672. A little bit of resistance. Sideways now. It's still bullish. You might watch some Tesla. Nothing's running away. It's just creeping. Back at 36 on those contracts. The 2 minute, definitely bullish on the 2 minute for scalping. Hmm. 15 more, 1 more minute to close on the 2 minute candle. 8 minutes to close on the 15 minute candle. I'm still not convinced it's the real direction. I'm still not convinced. I don't know why. I mean, if we push past this top here, I got you. But right now, I'm still not convinced. You're trying to get that liquidity. I got you. I got you. Let's see. I'm watching you. I see you. I didn't get my coffee today either. Yeah, it's a waiting game. It's a waiting game, y'all. I'm hanging tight. Hanging tight. Come on, I need these calls to explode, which will help me lessen my deficit down below. I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. You have to be okay with your anchors. If you're not okay with your anchors, then you got to turn it around. But you have to be, um, you need to be content on positions. If you believe those are positions you should be taking, then those are the positions you want to take. Based off of whatever information you got. You know what I'm saying? So, I always try to keep a positive spin on it. If I wouldn't have taken it, be in a different situation right now, but I did. So I'm not going to be myself about it. If we do have plenty of time. We're still 11:08 right now, so we have plenty of time to see what develops. The calls are doing fine, but I want to see if they're going to hit that top the second time. We could get it. Looks like it's hitting there too. Let's go. Come on, push. If it hits that double top, Where we at? Look how far we've come up. That's crazy. That's a huge candle right there. 10 right at 10:45. Still hanging in there. Thank y'all for tuning in, watching. Appreciate it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If y'all are subscribed, appreciate it. Blow up the likes.
Really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings like I've been.
32 cents a contract from 19 cents on those calls. But I'm still red on the put, of course. $0.34 now. Appreciate y'all hanging. Yeah. When you say right, profit on calls there. Look. Let me get a little bit of resistance. All right. Yeah, it looks like we on top. It's not. I'm gonna wait 2 more minutes. And then I'm out. And then watch it skyrocket to 50 cents. I need my morning coffee. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take the profit um, on those calls. It's about 26 cents or so. It'd be about $789 there. Look at it one more time. Let me see. Make sure I'm confident in this trade. Yeah. All right. Take it off the table. I couldn't, God, I could not get out. Son of a gun. Moving too slow. All right. I took, I walked away with nothing, not to put calls. No, I waited too long. Didn't snipe it. Waited way too long. Well, I was at the top. I should have just went ahead and didn't do it. That was a huge sell off, though. That was huge. Huge rejection. So I'm assuming we're going to break this resistance level or support. It's a waiting game. Wait and see. Yeah, I know. I waited too long. Rob called it actually. I waited way too long. I mean, that thing flushed. It's all good. Excuse me. That 4 hour, that 1 hour, and that 45 minute candidate say we're still bullish, but I don't know the trust. I'm not confident in that. I think it's flushing. Come on. We really didn't go anywhere. Not too far. A lot of interest at the 671 strike, 670 strike. A lot of interest. Try to win on both sides. Yeah. And then add to, yeah, add to position. Yeah, gotcha. That's exactly what's happening. I think I took a on that one. Of course, I didn't take profit. I took a 90 cent loss on that one. Let me double check. Let's see. Yeah, roughly about 90 cents. Mm. If it's going to flush, already flush. At 1 minute, it's bearish. Still holding those puts. Let's see what I can squeeze out of them. Still have some power on the side just in case I need to do a little something else. We're going to wait. How's everyone off the 2% CrowdStrike had one outage to an airline and dropped 200 bucks? Right, I know, man. It's crazy. That's crazy. You know how man is, but that's nuts. I think we're in the real direction right now. So I think I'm going to add to my put position. Mm, we'll see. I'll wait a little while. Negative 27% on 673. And it's trade way too long. And I waited way too long to get out of the other one. That call. Yeah, I don't know how Amazon was up another 2%. 200 bucks. Still holding. No. Okay, so on that 604 call, I actually took a $300 loss from 600 that 674 call at basically 19 super contract or 17 super contract. So bottom at 19 cents. Yeah, that's what it's trying to do. That's what it looks like it's trying to do right now. What time frame are you looking at, Rob? It's trying again. There it is. Back at 672. And those calls range between 17 and 18 cents. About 5 minutes. Is that a rejection? No. I mean, it's way too long. Way too long. Mm. Spies feel my emotions today. My emotions. Excuse me. Let me look at SPX. Been sitting here on the spot. Look at SPX. You still on the 5 minute drop on SPX? For some reason, I seem to think I'm gonna bust through that 672. I don't know why. Just looking at it, I just feel like it's gonna bust through right through it. I don't think we're old though. One more try, 750. We're watching 67.49. Okay. We're about to see. A lot of activity on the 672 puts, 670 puts for 37 cents. A lot of activity there as well. I'm not trying to be biased, but if we reject that second time, yeah, I think we would break here. Yep. I think I'm jumping these 670s for 38 cents a pop. Let me take a look. The low on those 27 cents. Yeah. Come on, baby. Hmm. Nope, I need 31 cents on those. I'm trying to get it at 37. I'm trying to get it at 37 cents, but I'm gonna hop in these 670s. You said this is where they low you sleep, bam. Damn, I missed that push. Lush, 50 cents already, 20%. Uh, Nothing's running away. All right, I'm in at 670 plus. Six seventy for 47 cents a contract right now. So I'm gonna grab me something to drink. Hope y'all hanging in there. This is where the magic happens, right? This is where the magic happens. This is it. I think my coffee is here. Let me grab my coffee. We'll be right back, y'all. Again, I'm in the 670 puts right now. 46 cents a pop. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Got me some coffee, y'all. Oh, crap, what happened? Okay, the current price of oil is 37 cents right now. Average cost is 46 cents a contract, down 21.74%. Just needs to go ahead and flush. I got me a big, tall, kettle. No, this is my kettle. You might see some flush. You might see some flush. You'll see. Uh, where we at? Okay. Mhm. Okay. Okay. Another trap for the pairs. Another trap. Today is not my sniper day today. It's not my sniper day today. 67.50. doing its thing. It was I thought I had SPX here. I do. Right here. What's he gonna do? $5 away from the 6. It's not what mm. Of course they are. Of course. I'm not giving up. I've been so embarrassed today. I even fight it. Tell me about the last stream, and I think they dropped back. We should have close by that. Yes, I need to come back, but hurry up. True. Let's go. Been straight way too long today. I'm past my limit. Opportunity was there, but I froze. When I go back and I review these tapes, I always look at my mannerisms, my body language, excuse me, see how my mind kind of reacts to um, the market. This is what a day is like in the market, y'all. This is what a day is like. Tesla pushing. Averaging in for calls or puts? Give you 1 second to that 5-minute candle closer. For puts? Wait, did you say puts or calls, Rob? Where we at? I'll take one contract at 67.50 strike price. Absolutely. Yeah, I'm just gonna do. I'm gonna do a part of it. We'll be jumping in. What's that? The SPX 6745. That's the big two party. 6745. 67. You know, more. I looked at it. I'm going to grab the 6745. I grabbed 1745 strike, SPX puts. Excuse me, of course it drops. It's like they know us personally. Like they know. Okay, here you go. Let me tell you. I would like to just get back down to 666 level. It needs to be a psychological level. 665, 6, close to it, 667. Excuse me. All right, SPY puts that I got into. I am 45% down. 45%. Just for now. Come on, do your thing. Let's go. Let's go. That's a nice big candle right there. That's the direction I wanted it to go. That's a nice candle. I fought the trend today. I fought the trend today. 1202. We better see some type of flush coming. Come on. 4 hours bullish. The day overall, the day chart is bullish. Sniper no swiping. If sniper didn't snipe today, come on. We got plenty of time. 3 more hours. I do not like being on here all day long. Sure. Get in and get out. What was what? You said you could hear what was that? What was what? Are you talking about for SPX or for SPY? Oh, I hopped in. This was earlier. I hopped in. Hold on. This was way earlier. I got the 672 puts at an average of $2.90 a pop. Right now, it's almost 7, down 63% on those. And then I entered this last one, an SPX put at 67. I wanted 67.50, but that went too high for me. So I got the 67.75. Let me see. Well, 745 puts on SPX. At $3. We're at $7 right now. Current price down 13.3. Oh, the mic's kind of choppy. Test, test. Is that better? Test, test, test. 1, 2, 3. Test, test, test. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. All right, you too. Okay, good, good, good. Where we at? Okay, what's happening here? Where we at? I knew it was a little off. I didn't take my vitamins today, y'all. Did not take my vitamins today. Yeah, that 670 put I took this morning, earlier, down 52% on that right now. 52%. I did expect it to come back. Let me look at the theta. Low is 20 cents. We just hit that low. High was 138. I got in at an average of 46 cents a contract. Excuse me. Still waiting. Still waiting. I know. That's what it's doing. Playing with the emotions here. Mm. Momentum is slowing down a little bit. About to see what's going to happen. What's going to happen? About to see. Still holding. Still holding. Today was chop fest. Come on. You could do it. Trap the Bulls. Trap the Bulls, not the Bears. And I think we did. We hit that double top. Trap the Bulls and not the Bears. I don't want to be trapped today. Fighting all my life. All my life I had to fight. And I'm still fighting. All my life. All my life I've had to fight. Hey, Roxy, be careful, girl. How you doing? How you doing? You just want to jump up on me and say hi to everybody. Say hi to everybody. You just want to jump up here and see me. Hmm? She's so loving. This is Roxy, y'all. This is Roxy. She's so loving. She's so loving. This is a good girl. Yeah, she's so loving. Yeah, such a good girl. Huh? A good girl. She's a good girl. Ooh, 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 ooh. Speak. Say, speak. Speak. Where's your diaper? Where's your diaper at? Where's your diaper? Oh, we gotta get a diaper on you. Yep, Roxy. Roxy Loxy. She need a diaper. Where's your diaper at, Rox? Okay, hold on. Sit. Sit. Sit, girl. Sit. Now, good job. Hold on. Wait. Come on, Rox. Put your diaper on. Never thought there'd be a day where I gotta put diapers on a dog. Never thought that. Rox, come here. Good girl. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for being patient. Appreciate it. Hold on. Let's see. Let's get back. Hold on. Good girl. Thank you. I need the other one now. You see how leg? Let me do this one. All right, girl. No, come this way. Sorry. This way. I almost got you. Thank you. And put your diaper on. I gotta cut a hole in there where the tail goes. Good job, girl. Thank you for being patient. Thank you. Thank you for being patient with me. Okay. Almost. Yeah, I gotta put your tail through, okay? And put your tail through. Oops. There you go. And voila, you have your diaper on. I know. I know. Good girl. Good job. All right. You got your diaper on now. Go ahead. I'm not making fun of you, I promise. I'm not laughing at you, I promise, girl. But I am. All right. Where we at? What it look like? 670. That's down, still down 52%. Unless we have some type of, all I need is 20, all I need is 30 cents. 36 cents, and I can break even on that one. On that 670. Let's see. I hope we get a flush here at 2 o'clock. Looking for a flush. It's not looking promising right now. Oh, I didn't take my vitamins. I need to go take my vitamins. Glad y'all still hanging in there with me. I appreciate that. Appreciate y'all just hanging in there, looking at this. It's every day, every trade is a learning lesson. Like as you're building your skills, your patience, everything. You're learning more and more about yourself, about the trading game, and understand that it could be a cutthroat industry. It is a cutthroat industry, and if you don't get in and get out and get your money, today's a prime example. I didn't execute. I did not execute like I wanted to. I should have. I waited too long to execute, but the day's not over yet. Still got some time. Still got some time. We've been going up for the last 2 hours. When you zoom out, you see what it's all about. After I'm done today, I am going to go and mow the lawn. All right, so I got this SPX 6600 put. All right, 6600 put. That's way up. All right, we're going to close that one out. That was down. That was down $67. I'm closing that one. I'll take my $20. Let me see what else I need to liquidate. 67.45 put. Down 34% on that. I'm going to hold that for a little while longer. That's basically down $2. Got in at 8, down 5.35 or $3. I'm gonna manage that one for a little bit longer. The 670 put is currently at 20 cents a contract. The average cost that I got in at is 46 cents a contract. I have 170 contracts on that right there. So I'm going to hold this a little while longer just to see if price returns back to my entry. It's down 78%, but it could turn around. So we're going to see. We'll see. Let me see what else. The 673 put. I don't see any return on that one. That's the first one I got. Average cost on that was $2.90. We're trading at 92 cents a contract right now. Yeah. That's the one I should have called earlier. Yeah, should have got out of that one earlier. Congrats on that $20, right? Let me get that money back. $20 is $20. So basically everything I'm in is down 50% except for the 670 put. That's down 82%. Little under half. Oh, over, sorry. Squeeze coming in. Well, at least the 15 minutes has a squeeze. I'm not disappointed in the market today. I'm really not. Like it held from yesterday. I thought that we were going to have a really big sell-off, for sure. That's the name of the game. Absolutely. Yeah, I thought we were going to have a huge sell-off today due to what happened yesterday. But boy, was I completely wrong. You know, I know when to fold them, know when to hold them. Ay, ay, ay. I will be taking a huge nap today, at least an hour nap. At least an hour nap. Again, thank y'all for tuning in over on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Kick, Twitch, and of course, X. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate the ones who come in on a regular basis. Thank you, Rob, Richie, Christine. Appreciate y'all. Who else is in here? Let me check and see. Lisa, oh, what's going on, Lisa? Lisa, thank you for dropping in. Nav, thank you for dropping in. Just want to send my appreciation to all y'all. Hannah, what's going on? Thank you for dropping in. Yeah, I'm gonna take me a long nap, and then I'm gonna do the lawn afterwards. I need to clean up that yard. I've been neglecting it for way too long. Yeah, I don't see the that 670 put that I'm in. Oof, that's down to 22 cents right now from 46 cents. Come on now, I just need a one big flush. One huge flush. Playing with me today. That's that'd be a 10-point move. Come on. Show me what you're working with. Is Trump talking again? Trump always talking. Every time Trump talks, the market just keep talking. Yeah, I need you to talk. Yes, please do. Please talk. Yeah, same time tomorrow. Same time tomorrow. 08 or 08. I got it in a little later, but same time tomorrow. Absolutely. Appreciate y'all stopping by. I still got a few more trades to manage here. If I cut it early, I cut it early, but for the most part, I think where I'm at is where I'm going to be at for the day. So unless something miraculous happens, I'm gonna have to take the loss for today. Unfortunately. Today was not a great managing day today. It was not at all. And they knew that. Y'all are welcome. You guys are definitely welcome. Sure. All right. I'm not going to hold y'all for too long. I'm going to check in a little bit later on today. Like I said, it's not going my way right now that I wanted to go. If things do change, I will let you know. But I'm going to do a recap tonight, basically psychologically what happened, emotionally what happened, whether it's good or not. So you will know the the outcome tonight. Anyhow, y'all hang in there. Have a great day. Appreciate all the supporters that came out. Let's see what time it is. It's 12:35. We still got 3 hours left. So I mean, I could definitely stay on, but y'all got stuff to do. So do I. I'm supposed to be out by now. I had a meeting at 12 o'clock, a real estate class, but this took precedence over that real estate class. All right, Christine, appreciate you coming through. Thank you. Appreciate y'all. Thank you. Appreciate it. All right. So tomorrow, same bat time and same bat channel. We'll be live tomorrow. And again, tonight I'll come back through and do a recap of what the day was today, what it was like. Of course, it's not over yet, but I got some stuff I have to do. So I'm trying to manage these trades to the best of my ability. Take care of that. So I'll give you either you guys will get an update tonight, or you're going to get one early in the morning. So everyone, y'all have a great day. Thank you for taking the time out to chill, spend over here with me, and we're gonna see what happens. Right? We'll see if my theories and my thought process worked out today. If it didn't, I know I need to go back and revamp and try it again. Everyone, smash that like button and subscribe. Appreciate it. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all later on today.